such a boring way to write a code line by line. Instead, check out the description to download the source code, set it up and run it. In this video lesson, we will understand registration and login form using React hooks. During the video, we will also understand what is the hook and how we can use it and how it's important to learn hooks. Hooks are a function that let you hook into React state. It means you can use state and other React features without writing a class. Few built-in hooks like a use state and use effect. In our example, login and sign up, we will use state. We can build our own. Now let's come back to our login and registration form. Now let's quickly create a directory, open the command prompt and launch the React app. Open the app.js file in VS Code. Now let's understand the registration form and hooks. Here we import React hook and declare two state variable, registered and handle submit in use state. Those hooks we can use in our form. Adding CSS to the form to style it. Open app.css and write the code. Now let's understand the login form. Submit the form via the onSubmit state variable hook and store the data in a local storage to check login credentials. If is this helpful, please like and subscribe.